Hello everyone. So this is my Google Classroom for the Design Challenge Bedroom Makeover. And this project is for 4th to 5th grade students who've already had a perspective lesson. And so this is another lesson where they're basically creating a one-point interior of a bedroom that they're kind of going on a quest for. So they're designing this bedroom for a specific student or specific child in mind. And so they're going to go through the steps of looking at how to draw in one-point perspective. So the Google Classroom has a lot of different resources that I've started to put in here so that they'll have a differentiated method for understanding how to draw in perspective. This is something that's challenging on the elementary level, so I definitely wanted to have a lot of different learning styles, some videos and some picture directions, along with um, the, along with instruction that they'll have in the classroom as well. So once they go through the Google Classroom, they'll start off with See, Think, Wonder, and they'll be looking at Vincent van Gogh's bedroom. And we'll actually use this as a kind of inquiry opening discussion where they'll analyze the artwork as a one-point bedroom, one-point perspective bedroom painting, and then they'll think about how to draw in one-point perspective. So they can use the resources of the step-by-step directions. So I'll just kind of click on this so you can see. And I've basically found different resources offline that were very visual and that made things pretty simple. So I'm just going to go down to the part where it starts off with the bedroom. So it gives them step-by-step directions for how to draw a bedroom using one-point perspective. So they'll start off with a vanishing point, how to draw a window, and those types of things. And they'll get into a dresser and a bed, just the basics. I will also be going over this as well and demonstrating drawing and talking myself, but this is just one option for them. Okay, so they have that. They also have video directions. And what I like about the video directions and with the PowerPoint or the PDF is they can kind of go back and look at things within their own time and they can pace themselves. If they need to go back during the final drawing assignment, they have these resources versus me teaching them in the actual real time. I can't go back and forth with individual students all the time. So this is really great for breaking down steps in that sense. Okay, and I'll basically go back. Once they've gone through the different resources, they're going to do their own practice bedroom. So they have this planning space and they can just follow the directions and try it out for themselves. Eventually, they will draw their own final bedroom using all of the criteria that's in the draft that I've uploaded. But I just wanted you guys to see the Google Classroom. I may or may not be using this LMS, but since I'm most familiar with Google Classroom, I decided to use it for the assignment, and then I'll make a decision about using another alternative LMS that may work, really well for this project. And so that is it. I'm still working on my own additional graphic organizers and just step-by-step directions for the project. So those aren't actually on this classroom as of yet. But I did want you to see the resources. One of the things I don't like about the Google Classroom is once you've uploaded something, you can't really move around certain resources. So it gets confusing as far as what step or what order do I go in. So that's something that I'll have to modify, and also I'll be adding those kind of like a checklist direction for students. All right, and that's basically it.